Hello, brilliant minds, and welcome back to Bangsayan AI Studio. Last time, we introduced you to the wonders of KCL and node analysis. But today, we're turning up the voltage. We're going on a supernode hunt. These aren't your everyday nodes, they're the superheroes of the circuit world. So, put on your detective hats and tell us, how many supernodes are cleverly disguised in this circuit? 5 seconds, go.
Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars is called the red planet because of its reddish, dusty surface.
Ding, 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 time's up, and the answer is 2. Were you surprised? These 2 supernodes are about to make your circuit analysis super exciting. Get ready. You might be pondering the whereabouts of these elusive supernodes. The answer lies in a simple principle. Supernodes emerge wherever voltage sources are present without a direct connection to ground. Observe our circuit closely. Notice that a resistor precedes the 2 voltage sources, effectively isolating them from ground. This distinctive configuration gives rise to our 2 supernodes. And there you have it. We've successfully uncovered the supernodes concealed within this circuit. But our journey doesn't end here. In our next electrifying episode, we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of supernodes. Prepare to be amazed as we unlock the secrets to calculating node voltages in their presence. Trust us, it's not as daunting as it might seem. We'll equip you with the knowledge and techniques to conquer even the most intricate circuits. So, don't miss out on this exciting adventure. Subscribe now and join us next time for another thrilling chapter in circuit analysis.